Alert weather.
You're likely waking up to the sights and smells of smoke that's funneling throughout northeastern Kansas right now. And as you can see from our Midland exterior sky cam in West Topeka, looking at the downtown skyline, we are seeing a smoky start to the day. And you can see that from our surface smoke monitor. There is some smoke coming from southeastern Kansas being funneled up towards the capital city, with those south winds that we are seeing continuing into today. Prairie Band Casino and Resort Live Storm Tracker currently in the 40s and 50s. We do have a little bit of a blanket of cloud cover all across the area as well. Once again, if you are sensitive to that smoke, you may have some sensitivities today because the air quality isn't the best either. Current wind gusts are between around 5 to around 35 miles per hour right now, coming from the south mainly as far as wind direction goes. And so you may want to secure those loose objects that you may have outdoors, because they could go flying if you catch a stronger wind gust. Relative humidity values have rebounded into the 50th and 60th percentile, whereas they were in the single digits and the teens yesterday with that elevated to critical fire danger. We do have less of a fire danger, but there still is that risk with the winds that we will be seeing today continuing between that 5 to around 35 mile per hour mark. So just use extreme caution if doing anything with open flames, grilling, maybe discarding of any cigarettes, and also using those trailer chains. Make sure to pick them up if you're traveling on the highway. 24-hour temperature trend rising from the 40s into the 70s. Then we'll drop through the 60s into the 50s as we go into tomorrow morning. Today's forecast, I am forecasting our highs to be in the 70s and 80s, and we will see those partly cloudy skies as we go throughout the day. Tonight will be in the 50s and approaching the 60s in the southeasternmost portions of our area, getting into the upper 40s in our northwesternmost portions, and we will be clear as far as conditions go. Tomorrow's forecast will be near record highs in the upper 80s and low 90s, and we will see sunny skies with that southerly flow continuing to push warm air in from the south. Then our winds will turn coming from the north by Tuesday. We will see a cold front move across the area throughout the day. That could limit how high our temperatures rise. We will see that rain as well, and potentially some storms in the afternoon along that front that will set up. Then we could see some rain on Wednesday and the potential for an isolated thunderstorm as well with some instability. And then Thursday, expecting more rain. Before Friday, we have chances of storms into the afternoon hours and showers as we go into your Saturday. Overall, with this rain that we'll see this week, I am expecting between half an inch to around 2.5 inches of rain throughout the viewing area. And as you can see, we're just dealing with temperature swings and variable rain chances as we go throughout the next week. So buckle up and prepare.